In this video we are making a lamb, apricot and squash tagine. This is a North African Moroccan dish. This is your ingredients that you need. First, you will add your cooking oil. Then fry your onions and garlic. Add your spices. Stir so that you don't burn them on the bottom of the pan and it releases the fragrance. Add your lamb pieces. Add your squash. I use frozen. Apricots. Then add your canned tomatoes. Give it a quick stir. Then add your stock. I used beef stock. Turn up the heat and bring to the boil. Once it is boiled, then transfer to an oven and cook it for 1 hour. Then take the lid off and cook for a further 30 minutes until it's reduced.